Every time Daniel came home, the parrot yelled, "Who's she?" At first, it was funny. Guests would laugh. Daniel would laugh. But one evening, he walked in holding flowers. Before he could say a word, the parrot screamed, "Don't tell her!" The room went silent. His girlfriend slowly turned. "Tell me what?" Daniel froze. The parrot puffed its feathers proudly. Turns out, Daniel had been secretly planning a surprise birthday party, and he practiced the plan out loud, in front of the parrot, for 2 weeks. Needless to say, the surprise was ruined, but the parrot, very proud of its investigative journalism career. Like and subscribe for more interesting story like this.